Hello everyone, welcome back to Want to Step. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can log in Telegram. So to get started, make sure you have installed Telegram app on your device. Once it's done, open Telegram app. Once you're there, you will see somewhat like this on your screen interface. Click on Start Now and add your country and phone number. And yeah, you have already successfully logged in Telegram. So this is the easiest method to log in Telegram. If you found the video to be helpful, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.